Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Evolution of Tea. My name is Tanisha. On this channel we are focused on helping women 40 plus take care of themselves first so they have more to give to others. On this channel we are focused on health, beauty, lifestyle, and self-care. All right, you guys, this is day 2 of my daily vlogs that I am planning to do from now until my birthday on August 10th. This is day 2, and yesterday was a pretty good day. We did a lot. I didn't get to get everything done that I wanted to do with you all, so I think we left off yesterday with doing some self-care, and I was going to show you my nighttime skincare routine, but my child was hungry and so I had to come down and make her some dinner, and then after we made dinner we just kind of relaxed and chilled, and that was the end of that. But I will say this daily vlogging, I mean even from yesterday to today, has some benefits, and the things that I think I'm going to try to share with you all, like what I'm gaining from this. Like yesterday, you know, I vlogged, I picked up the camera, I just kind of took you all through the day, and I actually went back and looked at the vlog, and it was a little, I don't know, it was a lot to learn. I'll say that. I was gonna say cringy, of course. I mean, and I think when we all see ourselves on camera, we're like, what the heck, why did you say that, why did you do that? But I think it was a lot to learn, and then I was able to learn a lot from it, I should say, and seeing yourself on camera and critiquing yourself and then coming back and doing it again the next day is beneficial. So I hope to get better at vlogging by watching myself on camera, coming and showing up for you all every day, and hopefully this will just make me a better vlogger. So definitely learn some things from that video that I created yesterday, and if you have not seen it, I will put it at the end of this video so you can go back and watch. But yeah, we live, we learn, and we grow, right? That is the point. So today, I think today is July 4th, and I really don't have any plans. I just took my daughter to one of her friend's house. Her friend lives by the beach, and like it is crazy out there. So many people out and around, and I was planning to go somewhere, but honestly I just don't feel like it. And most of the people that I will be with today are not celebrating today because they celebrated on Juneteenth. Like, all right, period. That's, I don't even know if I'm really celebrating July 4th anymore, because you know the story. So yeah, so today I don't think I'm gonna really go anywhere. I dropped her off, and it is just crazy out here in these streets. Even coming back to bring her to come home after I dropped her off was just like people everywhere, and people are just driving crazy, and I just can't. So I think today actually feels like a Sunday, because yesterday felt like Saturday. Yesterday was Friday. I had the day off, and it just felt like a Saturday. You know, we were out and about doing things, and then today kind of feels like a Sunday. So I think I'm gonna do what I would normally do on a Sunday, and that's just kind of like reset my house. Like I need to do some laundry. Tomorrow on Sunday I'm gonna go grocery shopping, restock my fridge, but I think today I'm just going to clean up my fridge. So I'm gonna walk you all through that today. So that's probably what we'll do, is just kind of like reset the house. All right, let's get started. You guys, it is a little while later. I have cleaned my refrigerator. It's all clean. Threw away too many things, but got rid of some things that I didn't eat, wasn't gonna eat, and just really did a really deep clean on my refrigerator. And so tomorrow I'll be checking back in with you all, and we'll be doing a fridge reset. So I'll be doing some grocery shopping and maybe do a little meal prep to show you how I prep my meals and my breakfast, especially throughout the week. I'm still on a wellness journey, trying to lose some weight, and every week I grocery shop. Every Sunday, I should say, I grocery shop and I do some meal prep to help me along that journey. But I thank you so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in for another daily vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, bye-bye.